Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will simply remove the vowels in a given string in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here a library file for input-output in C++, connu.h for fetch and string. So using namespace std in every C++ program, int main, and then we have several variables, str100 for our string, check, 0 I and 0 I and j, no, which has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to variables that can accept only whole number, negative and positive whole number. And then a title of our program, delete vowels in a string in C++. We are asking the user to give a string here, gets str which belongs to your string.h, and then using while loop statement, new line here, and then we have your comparisons, checking for vowels e, ei, ou, small and capital, while here str -1 not \0. So we have here the removal, and then increment, and then we display the results here after removal of the vowels and the program. Yetche, and then we close. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us compile and run our program to see the results on the screen. Okay, so delete vowels in a string in C++. Give a string, computer programming, sorry. Okay, so after the removal, this is the output. Another example. Negros Occidental, Philippines. Okay, here is the result. Last example, computer engineering. We have here the output. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create, delete the vowels in a string in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have some questions, clarification, just leave in the comment section of this video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.